A dumbbell split squat is a free weight exercise performed with dumbbells. You may also hold a kettlebell or place a barbell on your back for this movement. In the starting position, begin by standing in a staggered stance with one foot in front of another. Knees are slightly bent. Your back foot should have your heel raised with your weight on the ball of your foot. Torso is upright with eyes looking forward. Be sure to maintain good posture during the movement. To perform the movement, lower straight down until your front thigh is parallel to the floor. Make sure your front knee does not travel over your toes during the movement, keeping your front shin vertical. Pause briefly in the lunge and then push back up through your heel, returning to the starting position. Extend through the knee and hips, completing the rep. Then, continue on the same leg to finish the set. The primary muscles used in this exercise are the glutes and hamstrings. The hamstrings flex the knee, while the glutes assist in hip movements such as forward, backward, and side-to-side motions. Other muscles used are the quadriceps and abs.